Hi everyone, this is Balinder from NZISD. Today we are here with our another student. His name is Gurjit Singh and he is from Thames. So let's talk with him. What was his experience with NZISD? Yep. Hi Gurjit, how are you?
Hi, good. How are you, man?
I'm good. So what was your experience with us?
Oh, man, extremely very good.
Mm-hmm.
I like this course, and I can say that before this course, I had no knowledge about any mobile, anything. But now I can say I'm very experienced technician, iPhone technician. So I feel proud of me.
Yeah, great. How did you find us?
Actually, I was very keen to do any skill job. So, but before, I never think about the mobile phone repairing, this kind of things. But I was thinking to car mechanic things and this kind of, because it's very good job and you can make good money. But after that, I changed my mind when I watched the videos on the YouTube, like motivation videos, this kind of things. So I got a point from the motivation video. The guy was saying like, oh, you should do the mobile courses. Yeah. So because in this time the new generation have 99% have iPhones,
mobile phones, yeah.
And
that's great.
So finally, I changed my mind. So I choose your course and I search you on the Google.
So you mean you are on the right track, am right?
Yeah.
So that's great. So now, does we allow you in our lab to do extra work?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I was like, my class time was like 6 to 8, but I always staying here till 9 o'clock, do the extra jobs and extra work. And you were a good experienced teacher. You always allow me to stay here extra, and
Great. So just final question from you. In the future, if you meet with your friend who wants to learn some technical skills and all this kind of things, because a lot of IT students, that they don't have any kind of skills, but they are looking for. So what you recommend about NZISD to them?
Definitely, if my friend in the future, if my friend want to do anything, skill job or skill course, I will tell him to go NZISD, because that's the best institute and the first institute in New Zealand, and you can get this skill course in less money, and you can open your own business with less amount of money invested.
Yeah. So we provide you 100% knowledge, am right?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Gurjit. Thanks for your time. I just heard you are going to plan to open your new business, am right?
Yeah, very soon. I'm working in Pak'nSave, but I'm thinking to open my own business. I'm gonna start in my garage,
Right.
And so hopefully it will be.
Lots of people start from a garage, right?
Yeah.
So Amazon also start from garage, Apple also start from garage, Google also start from garage.
Yeah.
So he's also start from garage. Best of luck for your time and best of luck for your future. Thank you so much, Gurjit.